Welcome to Legacy Careers LLC, where your ambition meets expertise. Our mission is very simple: to empower professionals just like you to transform career dreams into lasting legacies. With personalized career coaching, resume and LinkedIn optimization, interview preparation, and job search strategies, advance your career today with proven strategies and expertise. Visit us for more at legacycareersllc.com. What good career warriors, it's your boy Anthony Harris back again with another video. So today we're going to talk about an honest and open topic that a lot of people might like to talk about. All those 1,001 rejection letters that you get after spending your hard-earned time and effort in applying to all of these jobs. So let's talk about some of the things that we need to update and optimize prior to applying to that next job to make sure that you actually get an interview and land that job. Okay. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the first mistake a lot of people make. People use outdated and generic resumes as they're applying to all of these jobs. Remember, in 2025, we no longer will be able to get away with using one resume to apply to 100 jobs. Those days are gone, and I'm sorry. You're going to need to optimize your resume with keywords for that specific job in that specific job industry. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So you're going to have to optimize it for the ATS system. So if you're applying to 100 jobs and you're noticing you're getting auto rejected within 3 to 5 minutes after applying, this is your key to tell you that your resume is not optimized for those jobs that you're applying to. It also tells me that you may need to be careful with how you're answering the questionnaire questions, because maybe one of them you're accidentally answering in an incorrect way, which is getting you auto rejected as well. Now, to optimize your resume, that doesn't mean that you need to change everything from the top down. That means that you need to have a great working resume to where you only have to replace a few keywords as you apply to different jobs. You shouldn't have to do the entire resume from top to down each and every job. You should only have to optimize and change out a few words for each job that you're applying to. Okay, if you need help with that, click the link down in the description. I have plug and play resume templates that are you can simply use and they're optimized for specific career industries with keywords for those job titles. Okay, now mistake number two a lot of people do is they apply like everybody else. So if you're just simply going down LinkedIn and easy applying to a bunch of jobs that you feel like you're qualified for, or that is showing that you're a good match for, you're doing it incorrectly, because I want you to, one, see when that job posting was made. Was it over 60 days ago or 60 to 90 days ago? Then you're probably out of the shot range of them actually already in the interview stage for somebody for that job. Also, number two, look how many people are applying to it. Is it 10,000 people? Is it 1,500 people applying to that role? Then you're just put your application under the gun under 1,500 people. It's going to be a hard responsibility for you to get looked at in order to come in for an interview for that role. So what I want you to do is, instead of just applying generically to a bunch of jobs, I want you to use LinkedIn to your best advantage and ability. So I want you to go to not only the company that you want to go work for, see who's the hiring manager or the recruiter for that role that you want to get into. And I need you to message them, not only with a copy of your resume, but also ask them if they're open for what is known as a coffee chat. Coffee chat is just a simple 5 to 10 minute conversation that you want to have with them to express your interest in the role and see what they're looking for somebody in that role. I want you to do that because that's going to help you stand out of those other 1,500 people who are actively applying for that job and that role itself. Okay. And I know it may feel uncomfortable to you at first to slide in somebody's DM and actually put yourself out there on a limb. You may feel like that's not in your personality, but you need to step out each side of yourself, because this is not about your ego or your pride. This is about you trying to land a 6-figure job and an opportunity. And let's be honest, over 80% of the jobs out there are fulfilled off of referrals and recruitment. So I want you to actively get out of your head space into that, and when you're applying to these jobs. Okay, if you would like to utilize one of my scripts, which will make it easy and not feel like it's an awkward conversation, make sure you also click the link down in the description for more. Okay. Now, mistake number three, a lot of people have are their interview skills. So if you're basically getting into the interview, landing the job, that tells me that we need to work on your interview skills. Some people, it's two ways about it. Some people go in there with overconfidence and they sound cocky when they're giving responses. And some people are so nervous that they become frozen or inefficient. You need to learn to figure out the balance. The balance is where you not only display your confidence, you also show that your skill set and how your skill set is a perfect match for this job role, but you also show your personality. I don't know how many times I have to tell people your personality, however you feel about yourself or your personality, let your personality shine because an interview is to showcase your personality and what you bring to this table. So not only with your skill set, but your personality and making a genuine connection with the interviewer. Sometimes people get the role simply because they made such a connection with the interviewer. It was undoubtable that they needed to come work for that company. Okay. So you need to be able to work on your skill sets, not only display them, but also bring it into the interview, bring your confidence in the interview, and bring your personality in the interview. Hey, if you'd like to work one-on-one with me and my team, also use click the link down in the description. We can work on a career coaching session and we can help you with get you prepped for those interviews. Okay. Now, in 2025, there's no excuse for any of us not to land our dream career role, land a six-figure job, whether you have a degree or without a degree. So if you're interested in any of my courses, make sure you click the link down below. So I have courses, whether you have a college degree, a recent college grad, no college degree, and going into trade work, or you looking to change careers or get a promotion in your current role. I have plenty of courses down below. Make sure you click the link down below. They are $50 or less to make sure that they're affordable for you. You can even split them up into payments if you choose to. These courses were designed to be no BS, 3 modules or less to get you everything you need to know in order to get you to where you want to go, whether that's plug and play resume, whether that's scripts or chat GPT scripts for you to plug and play in and optimize things like your LinkedIn profile or your resume. Those are all available to you. So let's not make an excuse in 2025. We all have things that we want to accomplish, and landing your dream job and your dream role is one of them I would like to assist you in. So if you need anything else, Career Warriors, please let me know. Peace.